Closely related to system engineering is computer-based system safety engineering. Safety engineering deals with a question as to whether the resultant system will be acceptably safe. Safety engineering activities include identifying hazards and mitigation strategies. Typically, this proceeds with some sort of hazard analysis, the identification of safety concepts, and then making sure that high-risk hazards are mitigated so that the system will be acceptably safe, and then validating that the acceptable safety has indeed been achieved. The goal of safety engineering is to ensure acceptable safety. This includes identifying safety requirements, in other words, what does safe actually mean, and then making sure that the mitigation techniques have resulted in acceptable safety. It's important to realize that safety qualification includes not only component safety qualification and assessing the safety of the whole system, but also safety qualification of tools that are used to design the system to make sure that no systematic defects are inserted by the tool chain or that no systematic gaps in requirements exist due to defects in requirements management tools, and so on. Another piece of safety engineering is ensuring that there's a robust safety culture, including having a safety management system, SMS, and ensuring conformance to relevant safety standards. Safety culture includes not only the design process, but also ensuring robust safety practices across design, deployment, and operations.